Xpeng unveiled a shockingly lifelike humanoid robot wrapped in flexible synthetic skin, built with a biomimetic spine and muscle system, a curved display in its head, and customizable design options that even include different body types and colors. A robot that mirrors human motion in real time and learns everyday tasks like cleaning, organizing, and even handling objects with human-level precision. Xpeng's new humanoid is unlike anything we've seen before. The same company known for electric cars and flying vehicles is now doubling down on humanoid robots. During their AI Day in Guangzhou, they unveiled the newest generation of their Iron humanoid, and this one's completely different from what anyone expected. So, Xpeng calls this the 8th generation of their robotics program and the 3rd with a humanoid design. They're aiming for mass production by late 2026, and this model feels like a direct statement to the rest of the industry. Xpeng's robot has a full-body synthetic skin, customizable body types, and even options for hairstyles and clothing. Seriously, users will be able to pick from body types like athletic, chubby, tall, or short, choose different hair designs, and later even change its wardrobe. The company says the synthetic skin makes it feel warmer and more intimate, clearly trying to move beyond the cold metallic stereotype of robots. But that's not all. The robot has a biomimetic spine and muscle system that mimics human motion. You can see the way it bends and twists, almost like a real person. Inside the head, there's a 3D curved display built into the face, giving it more expressive capabilities. Its shoulders move like human joints, and each hand comes with 22 degrees of freedom, which means it can handle delicate tasks like picking up small objects or gesturing naturally. Xpeng loaded it with serious computing power too, 3 Turing AI chips that deliver a total of 2,250 TOPS. For context, that's the same class of power found in their autonomous cars. So it's no surprise that the robot runs on Xpeng's own VLT, VLA, and VLM systems. Those stand for Vision Language Transformer, Vision Language Action, and Vision Language Model. Basically, a full-stack AI architecture that allows the robot to see, interpret, and act in real time. So it's not just following pre-coded commands, it's processing the world visually and linguistically while it moves. And here's something interesting. Xpeng's not going after the same use cases as companies like 1X or Figure. CEO He Xiaopeng said straight up that humanoids aren't actually great for factory work or repetitive tasks. Instead, Xpeng wants its robot to work in social spaces, as a receptionist, tour guide, or shopping assistant. In fact, the previous generation of this robot was already giving tours at Xpeng's headquarters, speaking in a perfect American accent while walking visitors through the building. The company's plan is to deploy the new Iron robots in showrooms, museums, and shopping centers, where they'll interact directly with people. So, Xpeng's clearly thinking beyond labs and show floors. They want this thing working out in public. And they're not doing it halfway either. The robot will be powered by a solid-state battery, something we rarely see in humanoids, which makes it lighter and longer-lasting than lithium packs. He Xiaopeng described their approach as fusion and invention. In his words, cars require integration and invention, but robotics requires fusion, meaning the software and hardware have to evolve together. He said a robot's hardware must literally be designed around its AI brain for it to work properly. There's also a safety and ethics angle baked in. The CEO mentioned that the robot follows Isaac Asimov's 3 universal laws of robotics, and then they added a 4th. It can't disclose its owner's data. It's an interesting line to draw, especially when competitors like 1X are asking customers to give them full access to their homes so their robots can learn. Xpeng's clearly taking a different stance, keeping data privacy front and center, while making the robot more personal, almost companion-like. Now, while the robot looks impressive, not everyone's buying the idea. Critics say Xpeng might be solving a problem that doesn't exist, questioning the need for such a human-like machine that comes with so many customization options. The company hasn't released a price yet, but with that kind of tech, 3 high-end AI chips, solid-state batteries, and all that articulation, it's not going to be cheap. And let's be real, that walking demo at AI Day, even though it ended with a slightly awkward dance to Taylor Swift's The Fate of the Ophelia, definitely got people talking. Some even asked if there was a real person inside it. So while the world debates whether we need humanoids with synthetic skin and customizable body shapes, Xpeng's already moving ahead. building one of the most ambitious full-stack robots in China and maybe the world.